I welcome you to this channel. So in today's video we are going to be talking about a very profitable way which 99% of crypto traders doesn't know, which you can use to generate a lot of profit on daily basis and make a lot of money from the market. Okay, you can make from $100 on daily basis. What I mean by start this particular trade and be making a lot of profit on daily basis. Okay, so if you take a look at this particular news here, you will see that this is pump.fun to give us an information that a trader, this particular trader, made over $176,000 as a profit after buying $217 worth of this particular COPE coin, okay, at 8,000 market cap. Okay, you can see this particular money in his wallet. So, and if you take a look at the second guy over here, this second guy also made a profit of $44,000 just by buying $4,900 dollars of this microwave coin. Okay, this is 12x profit. And if you take a look at the third guy, you can see that this particular third guy also made $20,000 just by buying this particular colors at 93,000 market cap. This is 6s. Okay, so and if you take a look at this particular fourth guy over here, you can see that this guy made 36k, okay, from 2,900, which is C. Okay, so and this is actually 12s return. Okay, so this is exactly what we are going to talk about. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, so if you really want to get this particular update, if you really want to understand how it works, you can join the class. Okay, we'll have a class. Okay, we have a VIP class where you can be trained, okay, from step by step on how this actually work. Okay, so now if you take a look at all these particular people that you are seeing here, let me show you how you can identify a coin which can give you this particular result. Okay, so now first of all, if you take a look at here, you will see that this is the first coin, which is CAPE. Okay, if you look at this particular CAPE, you will find out this was exactly when this particular CAPE was launched, the same day and the same hour. You can see that I don't actually know how they was able to generate up to 5,000 followers, okay, at that particular time. But what I find out for a very long time now is that most of them have already paid some influencers to talk about the coin, and people have already started talking about them. So when they come, what they do is that they tag those posts. Okay, this is CAPE, and you can see that this particular CAPE over here, if you actually take a look at this particular stuff over here down below here, you will find out that this particular coin have already, this particular post generated almost 126,000 views, okay, which made a lot of people to be aware of it and start buying the coin, which made the coin to pump. Okay, so this is the second one, which was microwave. If you take a look at microwave, you see that the first post which they post the same day, the same hour, almost 13,000 people saw it, which made it to do what? To go up. Okay, and if you take a look at this particular last one, which was the color, okay, now you will find out that color over here made 76,000 views, okay, which made it to go up. And this is the last one, which is Siu. Okay, Siu, you can see that if you go to this particular Siu page, you will find out that as if you continue to scroll, you see that people, thousands of people got engaged of this particular post, okay, which made a lot of people to start buying the coin. Okay, so now let's go to the chart. Also remember, you can buy this particular coin from Mexi or Phantom Wallet or Trojan. Okay, so you already know Mexi or and Phantom Wallet. That is where you can buy all these coins. So let me go to the chart and show you how to identify and get this particular coin. Okay, early before people start buying it, and you can start buying it with as low as 1 USDT and make a lot of profit from it. So if you get 12s from one coin, that is 12 USDT, then another coin come, you buy with 5 USD. If you buy with 5 USD, if it does another 12s, that should be giving you almost 60 USD. That is how you leverage to make money from. You don't need to start big, okay? But I also have a VIP group where you can join and get notice on time before other people start doing what, before other people start. Just like this, all this coin, we already have a group where we post the coin for you to buy it. When that we use our hand to do what, to analyze the market and get a good coin that will give us this kind of S on time, then we'll post it so you buy while others are buying and make the same profit. So let's go to the chart and see the screener. Okay, now if you take a look at here, you will see that every second, every minute, people are creating coin. And this particular one, this is 15 minutes, this is 4 minutes, this is 2 minutes, this is 3 minutes, this is 4 minutes, this is 22 minutes, this is 4 minutes. Remember that most of the coin, those people bought it early before it went. Some bought from $5,000 market cap. Some bought from $8,000 market cap. Just like this particular person here. Just like this particular person here, you can see that this particular person actually bought this particular coin from 8,000 market cap before he now made this kind of money. That's very, very huge. Okay, this is very, very huge. So now if you take a look at the screener over here, you find out that this particular place was exactly where this particular people started buying all of the coin. Just like this, you can see this one is at 2,000 market cap. And if you take a look at this one, is at 41,000 market cap, and so on and so forth. And over here, there are a lot of scam coins going on in this particular place. Okay, if you take a look at this particular one, which is Goko, you will see this is 3,000 market cap. Okay, so let's open this particular one and see how to identify these people. So first of all, when you open any of this particular coin, you need to check the Twitter account and see what is going on in there. That is the first thing. So now if you take a look at this particular coin, you will find out that over here this coin is under 1 minute. Okay, just created right now. Okay, so 1 minute, you can see that they have not actually added any Twitter or site over here, but this particular coin is at 191,000 market cap. So what do? What you do is that you give it, once a coin is being created, you give it 30 minutes from that particular time. You can see from here now, this is 1 minute. So any good coin that want to do well in the market, under that 30 minutes, they will be able to do what, to add the Twitter account. Then you go to the post and see how this particular, if they have posted anything or have social media handles that are posting their token. Okay, so the same way, if you take a look at all of these tokens that are being, just like this one now, under 1 minute, you can never see any of them that an account, a Twitter account, have been added into it. It takes a minimum of 30 minutes. Okay, once it is a 30 minutes, you will see that particular coin, many things will be added in it. You can see this particular one, and you need to focus on the ones that have a low coin market cap. Okay, market cap, a low market cap. So if you take a look at other coins here, you can see the market cap. Some have a high market cap. Those ones are not a coin. Okay, so they are not good. The ones you need to look after are those ones that have 1 minute, 2 minutes to 30 minutes, and they are actually in low market cap. Okay, just like these particular ones, which have 14k market cap. This particular one over here, okay, this particular one is another good one which you can take from here. So you give it a minimum of 30 minutes to see what is actually going on. So, and if you take a look at the volume, you can see that people have started buying. You can see it has 1k volume. This is a good way to go. Okay, so this is how to identify it, and we already have a class where and a group where you can be able to get these particular signals on daily basis. So you can contact me. My contact details is down below this video. Okay,